Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the control knob on your Samsung dryer. Now, removing and reinstalling the control knob does not require any tools at all. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you're probably looking at wanting to remove and reinstall this timer is: one, if the knob itself has been damaged or over time some of the finish flakes off it, or if you're looking to do something more in behind the console, such as remove the actual control board, you need to remove that knob in order to remove that control board. So we'll show you how easy it is. You're just going to take your two hands, grab the knob, and just pull it straight out. It comes off easy because you see there's three plastic fingers that go in and grab this part. So when you pull it, it's just making those tabs release. To install the knob, it's just as easy or easier. The only thing you need to do is to consider the fact that on the little shaft on the inside of the control board, there's a flat side. And if you look on the knob, you'll see as well that it has a flat side. So we're just going to basically bring the knob into position, push it on, and we're just going to rotate it a little bit till we find that it lines up the flat spot on the shaft with the flat spot in the knob, and then the knob will slide down into position, and then you're just going to apply a little pressure and snap it into place. And there you go. It's just that easy to install the timer knob on your Samsung dryer.